Dear children, today we are starting I Stand By You Part 2. This lesson is about dependability. The quality of being trustworthy and reliable is dependability. The quality that lets people know that you will do what you said you would do when you said you will do it, and you will do it to the best of your ability each and every time. जब भी आपको कोई काम दिया जाएगा, जब भी कोई जिम्मेवारी दी जाएगी, आप उसे उतनी ही ईमानदारी, उतने ही परिश्रम से करेंगे जिसका आपने लोगों से वादा किया था. Actually, being a dependable person can also improve the quality of our life. If we are dependable, people know that they can count on us. Even do what is right when no one is watching. हम लोगों को एक आदत होती है, कोई देख रहा है तो हम अच्छा काम करते हैं, कोई नहीं देख रहा तो बीच में गड़बड़ कर जाते हैं. That is not trustworthy. If you are trustworthy, if you want to be trustworthy, dependable, then you have to be sincere in your efforts. We shall be reading about this in the chapter, The True Life Story from Anstey, Romania. Have you ever seen this girl? Try to find videos, old videos, और उसमें देखिए चमत्कार किया था इन्होंने. Nadia Comaneci will forever be remembered as the first gymnast to achieve the perfect score of 10 in Olympic competition on the way to winning 3 gold medals at the 1976 Montreal Games. 10 upon 10 पाना बहुत ही, I should say, असंभव, impossible. But this girl could achieve this goal. Due to her brilliant efforts, Romania attained an unbeatable position in gymnastics. She put Romania on the world map in sports. She did whatever she was expected to do very, very sincerely. She was spotted by the famous coach Bella Caroli at the age of 6 and began her training. She would train for 6 hours every day from then on to secure a place in the Romanian Olympic team. For the Montreal Olympics team in 1976. After her stunning performance, stunning माने स्तब्ध कर देने वाली, when the score was 1.00, because no one believed a score of perfect 10 was even possible, and she achieved it. Though she loves Romania, the country of her birth, dearly, she did not like the fact that there was no freedom in Romania. She planned her escape along with few friends. Through Hungary and Austria, she finally reached the US. Today, she is settled in the US and runs her gymnastic academy. She is dependable to her host country as well. Just read this sentence, dependable to her host country as well. Means she is dependable for her own country also. देश को किन्हीं हालातों के कारण छोड़ा है, लेकिन देश से बाहर रहकर भी देश के लिए डिपेंडेबल हैं, और सेम डिपेंडेबिलिटी शी इज शोइंग फॉर द होस्ट कंट्री यूएस. ऐसा नहीं है कि वहां का आने के बाद वो अपने देश को भूल गई या उस देश को भूल गई जिसने उन्हें शरण दी है. शी remains dependable for both the countries. Nadia happily says you need a lot of passion for what you do to be able to work hard and be dependable for your team. You are going to places that you are never going to believe. आप ऐसा कुछ हासिल कर लेंगे अगर आप dependable हैं. Being dependable means you others को के लिए, दूसरों के लिए भी you prove your worth. Being dependable is for the inner satisfaction. We make our team stronger with our sense of commitment. हम ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ अपने लिए जीतते हैं, हम अपनी टीम को भी जिताते हैं. आप अक्सर क्रिकेट के तो सभी बच्चे फैन होते हैं, फुटबॉल देखते हैं, हर टीम को देखिए, वो लोग जो प्लेयर्स खेल रहे हैं दे आर डिपेंडेबल. अगर वो धोखा देने वाले हों, अगर वो सिंसियर ना हो, nobody will give them any place in the team. If you want to earn a place for yourself, you have to develop this habit of dependability. Now, another story is belief in yourself a little more. दूसरे के प्रति शिकायत करने से पहले अपनी योग्यता को पहचान लीजिए, क्योंकि आप उस समय डिपेंडेबल बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। The instrumental music band of the school consisted of 5 members. Ronnie played the drums, Harman played the flute, Rishabh played the tabla, Preeti played the harmonium, and Kirti was the lead singer. Whenever the band had to perform in the assembly, everybody in the audience cheered for Kirti. Rishabh was envious. उसे ईर्ष्या हो रही थी of her. He felt that his efforts were not appreciated. He went to his music teacher and expressed his concern. उसने अपने टीचर से बात की, ये क्या है मैम, हम सब एक समान काम करते हैं, लेकिन सारी तारीफ केवल लीड सिंगर को ही मिल रही है, कीर्ति को ही मिल रही है। The music teacher told him that the 5 members of the music band were just like the 5 fingers of a hand. All the 5 fingers are required to make a hand. Rishabh understood the meaning. All of they have to become dependable and sincere. अगर एक भी उनमें से कम एफर्ट करेगा तो वो कितना भी अच्छा गा रही हैं, अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलेगा। Why did she get this appreciation? Because the team was working as a whole. Everybody was doing their duty sincerely. They were showing their dependability. The 5 members of the music band were dependent on each other for a beautiful performance. ईर्ष्या मत करिए, क्योंकि कभी कभी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि nobody is paying any attention to us. But because of harmony, because of the combined effort, you get better results, good results. आपका कोई भी काम तभी appreciate होगा जब आप सब मिलकर उसको काम करेंगे। अब इसके लिए आपको डिपेंडेबल होना, बीच में धोखा किसी को नहीं देना है। Now there are so many incidents in this timeline. They were truly dependable. वो इस टाइमलाइन में बता रहे हैं ये सब लोग किस तरह से डिपेंडेबल थे। As a politician, Frances Perkins started the Social Security Act that helped the poorest American. Her laws helped workers who were injured in factories. Why did people accept her? Because they were depending upon her. Scientist Norman Borlaug helped increase the agricultural production. This initiative saved over 1 billion people worldwide from starvation. During the India Pakistan War, Lal Bahadur Shastri gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which became very popular during the war and is remembered even today. Everybody believed in लाल बहादुर शास्त्री। वी ऑल वर डिपेंडिंग। सी आपको तो सपना भी नहीं आ सकता कि वो टाइम क्या होगा, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट देयर, बट एवरीबडी वॉज हैविंग अ डाउट। ही वॉज अ वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट मैन, वेरी सिंपल मैन। एवरीबडी हैड डाउट how he is going to handle this crisis, but he did it very well. Everybody was appreciating him only because he proved himself to be dependable. He was known for his honesty and humility throughout his life. वो बहुत ही विनम्र और बहुत ही ईमानदार थे। Cardiac surgeon Devi Shetty founded Narayana Hridayalaya and helped thousands of poor children undergo surgeries at a low cost. MBA graduate Chavi Rajwat gave up a high salary job and became a sarpanch in Soda, Rajasthan, and brought clean water and solar power to her village. लोगों को शुरू में लगा होगा इतनी पढ़ी लिखी लड़की इतना बड़ा अफसर लगी हुई है, ये क्या हमारा काम करेगी। पर she proved herself to be dependable with her honesty, with her hard work. Under the guidance of IAS officer Mir Muhammad Ali, Kerala's Kannur became India's first plastic free district. He encouraged the use of handloom bags made by weavers. अब ये जो छोटी छोटी घटनाएं हैं ये क्या प्रूव कर रही हैं? Whenever you are doing some work, when you voice your thoughts in the world, they should be very clear, accurate, and concise. Your dependability on grammatical rules help you to carve the out sentences and paragraphs. आपके पास बोलने की शक्ति भी होनी चाहिए. आपकी भाषा इतनी सजग और सबल होनी चाहिए कि दूसरा आपकी बात को झट से समझे और आपकी बात पर विश्वास करे. Because when people come together, miracles happen. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अकेले ही. आपने एक मुहावरा सुना होगा, अकेला चना भाड़ नहीं फोड़ सकता. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Single person, one man cannot do this type of heavy work. We do have to have our company, our team. So team should be dependable. All members should be dependable, because dependable to others is to prove one's worth. आप किस काबिल हैं आप अपनी डिपेंडेबिलिटी से ही बताते हैं. वी मेक आवर टीम स्ट्रोंगर with our sense of commitment towards the common goal. इसी तरीके से हमको इस बात को सीखना है, समझना है और अपने जीवन में अप्लाई करना है. बिकॉज डिपेंडेबिलिटी इज अ वेरी बिग एसेट. बहुत बड़ा गुण है.